Hi guys, welcome to my channel TPV. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be helping the DIY with the name of drill bits. I do have a couple of drill bits in front of me, so we're gonna start with this one. So this is what we call a twist drill bit. It is mainly for metal, but you can also repurpose it for wood and plastic. And then next we have what we call a step bit. A step bit, it is a, I would like to say, a million in one, because it is one bit with different sizes. For instance, this one starts from 4 mil up to 32 mil, but it skip one stage at a time. For instance, it starts from 4 mil. The next step is 6 mil, 8, 10, and so forth up to 32. And then third one, we do have a countersink. A countersink, after you drill with these two, you countersink with this one, with the third one. And then fourth, we have a masonry drill bit. It drills through the walls and stones, as its name says. And then third one, we have what we call a tail drill bit. A tail drill bit, it through drills through any type of tiles. And then next we're going for the bread point drill bit. It drills through, it is for drilling wood, but you can also double it using you can also drill plastic with it. You can also drill new tape with it. But okay, next we have a flathead. A flathead, okay, a flathead, which is also called a spade drill bit. A spade drill bit, it is only for drilling through wood and new tech, which is next. We have a wood also. A wood also, as you can see, it is just flat. It is just flat. And then lastly, we have a metal also. A metal also is different from a wood also, because a metal also, it does have sort of diamond ears that helps to cut through the metal. So I'll just have them next to each other so you can see the difference. On your top, or I would say on your left, that's a metal, this one, the one that I'm shaking. And then on my right, that's the wood one. You can see the difference once I get them. You can see the difference. They basically look almost the same, since they're all also, but the metal one, it does have some, from drilling through metal, it does have some weight in it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like and subscribe. If you do have any questions, just ask in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys.